Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're running a Shopify store, one of the most important steps is adding policies that protect both you and your customers. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add policies to your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, head down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, you'll see an option called Policies. Click on that, and you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you're in the Policies section, you have two options. You can either write your own policies or use Shopify's built-in templates. To use the templates, simply click on Insert Template, and you'll find default templates for common policies like Return Policy, Privacy Policy, Terms of Service, Shipping Policy, Legal Notice, Subscription Policy. Once you choose a template, you can use the rich text editor to customize it. You can add links, images, and format the text however you need to fit your store's brand. When you're happy with your policies, don't forget to click Save. This will automatically publish the policies, and they will appear at the footer of your checkout pages. This helps ensure that your customers can easily access your policies while making a purchase. To make your policies even more accessible to customers, you can add them to your store's navigation menus. First, go to Online Store Navigation. Choose the menu where you want to add the policies, such as the main menu or the footer menu. Then click on Add Menu Item. Enter the name of the policy, for example, Shipping Policy, and search for the corresponding policy you created. Click Add, and then click Save Menu to finalize everything. If you prefer to create custom policy pages or need to add specific content, you can do that too. Go to Online Store Pages and click Add Page. Title it according to your needs, like Privacy Policy. If necessary, you can also use the HTML editor to embed specific code or content. Once you're done, save the page and follow the same process as before to add it to your navigation menus. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effectively add and manage policies in your Shopify store. This ensures your customers have easy access to important information about their purchases and your business practices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.